Good morning, everybody. It is about 9:47 a.m. on August 7th, I think. We are going to do very rainy out. Just had a flash flood warning issued, in fact. We're going to do our August computer updates. Just had a power outage. No changes to this thing overall. You can see there. Oh, there it went. Still, everything's still the same on here. We'll check on the OptiPlex. Latitude D620. OptiPlex 320's DOA. I have to put a floppy drive on that one. Gaming systems are all the same. Oh. Let's log in. Now the big update for this thing is in system information. For those of you who didn't see my my earlier video of this thing, look at there. I put the information in there. Put the factory support information too. I'll plan to get a logo and service tag into there soon enough. By the way, they had a PS3 at the Airbnb, but I did bring my Switch with me, so I was able to use that. Finally, we're onto this thing. No changes. Except I did have to turn it back on. The power went out. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it.